support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
Hi, Danielle here with PLUGHITZ Live, part of the Tech Podcast Network. I'm here at CES 2023 at the LG booth. Hi, can you please introduce yourself for me?
Hi, Jacob Moser. I'm here with LG, and we're introducing the Hovergym.
Okay, what exactly is the Hovergym? It looks so interesting.
What it is it's weight resistance training focused on the time under tension. So, for instance, when you have a free weight and a lot of people just kind of lift it up and swing it down and let it drop. Whereas with the Hovergym, you're constantly under tension on the way up and the way down, which is way more effective for your training.
So what kind of workouts can you do on the Hovergym, and how exactly does it work?
You can do pretty much every workout that you can think of. Curls, bench press, squats, military press, shoulder flies. I mean, the list goes on. The weight goes up to 220, so most people, you're going to be maxed out with the weight that it has. The range of motion is great. It's not jerky at all on your joints. There's a barbell for different workouts, or if you want to have the handles and do single arm workouts, it pretty much has everything you need.
That's awesome. So why exactly would someone want to choose to work out with this rather than going to the gym and using like the free weights?
Well, as you can see, it fits in the space of your home, your room, pretty much anywhere you need it. It only weighs under 100 pounds, around like 90 pounds, so you can lift it up and move it wherever you need it to be. It's convenient. Instead of having to have a bunch of different workout equipment, you can just have this with the barbell and pretty much get your full body workout in.
I see there's like some sort of AI technology built in. How would that help during a workout? How does it assist you? Can you explain that?
Yeah, so you could either just load up the weight through the app and get right to work if you know how to work out already or if you have workouts. But if not, it does have a personal trainer within the app, and it's going to have over 100 workouts built in that will take you through the workout, and it will give you pointers as you do your reps on what you can improve on each rep.
Okay. So how exactly would you adjust like the different weights and everything? Like if I'm starting out and I want to go easy, like how would I adjust that using this?
It's all done on the app. So you would just slide up the weight resistance on the app, slide it down to whatever you feel comfortable, and you'd be good to go.
What are some other capabilities on the app that you know of, or what is your favorite feature?
You can set timers for workouts as it's showing right now. You can set sets. You can, for the personal trainer, you can set just a bunch of different workouts depending on what you specifically need.
Awesome. So is this available now?
It's not available now. They're shooting for early next year sometime.
So early 2024?
Yep, early 2024.
Do you know about the price range that this will be when it comes out?
There's no set price yet, but they're saying somewhere around $1,500.
Awesome. Thank you so very much for talking with me today.
Thank you.
For continuing CES 2023 coverage, stay tuned to PLUGHITZLive.com/CES.